Well, good evening, wild campers. I hope we're well. So a quick video this. I don't usually do these kind of unboxing things, but I have a box of something I've been shopping to unpack for you. I bought myself the Trekology inflatable sleeping pad, and I believe this is the UL50. Got it off Amazon. It cost me around £24 delivered. So we'll get it open and we'll take a look at it. Oh, it's pretty small. First impression, it's pretty small. Right, so there we go. So it seems that it's got the name ALUFT, ALUFT, as part of the model name there. So why have I got a new sleeping pad? Well, basically, I've got two already. So I've got a Thermarest. I've got the Thermarest Venture, which I've used in a couple of videos. I've got my ALUFT cloud base, which I use loads and loads, but I wanted a third one, and this is mainly just for family usage, just for if I'm taking members of my family on so-called normal camps or maybe future wild camps. And also I was quite curious to find out a bit more about the Trekology brand. So I've been hearing online a few people talking about them, mostly positive. So I just kind of wanted to check them out. I thought £24, £25 is not going to break the bank. And I'll put the measurements up on the screen. One of the things that drew me to this sleeping pad was because it's a similar kind of design, a similar design of cushioning to the ALUFT cloud base. So you'll see what I mean when I blow it up. So I think what I'll do, I'll get it out of the bag, I'll blow it up, you can take a look at it, and we'll go from there. Right, so there we go. That took me about 20 puffs to get that fully inflated. It doesn't feel as lightweight as the ALUFT cloud base, but the material feels a bit thicker, so that might be part of the reason. It's not an insulated mat, it's very basic. I'm going to try it out quite soon on my next camp, so I'll let you know what it's like properly when it's inside a tent or under a tarp, under a bivvy bag, something like that. One of the criticisms I read in a few reviews online was that the valve came undone and people were noticing it deflating overnight, but that wasn't a huge amount of people, maybe one or two. The majority of the reviews on Amazon were pretty favourable. We'll see what it's like. I might actually go and just have a quick lay down on it and just give you sort of initial comfort thoughts, so we'll give that a go. Yeah, so it's not too bad. It's fairly comfy. I wouldn't say it's as comfy as the ALUFT cloud base. I'd say the ALUFT slightly wins on that front. I don't know, and it feels a little bit crunchier, if you can describe a sleeping mat as crunchier. So whereas the cloud base is just feels slightly sort of smoother, and you just feel a little bit more cushioned. I don't know whether that's anything to do with the nature of the way the air pockets have been designed on the ALUFT. I don't know. But anyway, you know what? £25, it's probably going to be someone a lot lighter than me sleeping on it. So we'll see how it goes. And it could be a useful backup sleeping mat for myself. Anyway, that's all for me, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up as usual. Give us your thoughts. If you've used any of the Trekology products, Be interested to know what you think. Do hit subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and that'll give you all the updates of any future videos. Thank you very much. I'll speak to you soon.